some fail slime, and we're just gonna add random things to it. Ah, it fell again. And as you can see, I'm at Dusty's, and we have this slime kit.
We're not sisters.
Yes, we aren't. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna add some biscuits to this, you know?
Yeah.
Just get it all
Crushed.
crushed it.
And we're going
And after this, we're probably gonna throw it out.
Yeah. We're gonna add some salt and vinegar. This is actually mine, so yeah.
Take one of the spoons.
And we're gonna post this on YouTube, guys.
Oh, let's put some salt in here.
Yeah, we already put salt in there, but it was an accident because we weren't recording.
Oh, my hands are so slippery. It's not working.
No, don't! Yes. It's going to be making it even stickier. That would be fun.
Oh, wear me down. Sorry, everyone. Oh, I pressed.
There we are.
Oh, I pressed the flip button. How do you flip it?
Back. Just press it.
Oh, no, we did.
Oh, hello.
Oh, I think I zoomed in.
Here, you zoomed in.
Sorry, everyone. I'm not good with iPads.
Yeah. She has an iPad, but she's not good at them. I add cat food in this. Why? We should add dog biscuits. That would be even cooler. That would be even cooler. We're not eating it though, guys.
Okay, so we just went into Dusty's pantry, and we're just gonna add more of this.
Well, it's my dad's pantry because they rented this house.
What? Nothing's coming out of here.
Because it's sticky. I can't even open this. Perfect!
Hurry up, you dumb thing!
Don't swing, Shania. Look, we're not going to eat this, guys.
Yeah, because that would be really gross. And plus, we add activator.
And we added cat food and all that.
Yeah.
And bird seed.
Yeah, and we also added glue. Elmer's glue.
And glitter.
Actually, you're actually allowed to eat Elmer's glue and glitter. I've eaten glitter before. Don't judge me.
I don't care. Guys.
That wasn't me. Dusty, stop burping! Where is it? It's not coming out.
I've got something good.
What is it?
I've got... Oh my God.
This is gonna come out now.
Or is it?
Yay, it's out!
Yeah, finally.
For the first time.
Scum.
I'm
Sorry
shaking.
if I said scum, because I sneeze like that sometimes. Scum. The bestest thing of my life.
It looks like we're making a chocolate sundae.
Yeah. We should
Oh, this
actually.
looks like whipped cream.
Yeah.
Dusty, why do you need another spoon when we have spoons right here?
Because that's all funny.
Oh, look how cool this looks.
Let me show the viewers.
I can see, Dusty. But don't you put that in.
Sorry, guys.
I'll get you guys. I love ya.